Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. In this tutorial, today we'll see how to install Python in Windows 11 or 10. So check first we need to check if Python is there or not. Then you can go and search for command prompt. Check. You click here and type Python. Python minus version. Python was not found, so it's telling Python is not there. So what we'll do, so we'll go now and search for Python, and you can directly go there. I'll show it was there. Go to a browser and click on it. Python install. Okay, so now download Python. So now you need to click on download Python. Now Python is getting downloaded. So it will take few seconds. Once download is done, so we'll go and open the Python. Now Python is okay. Now it's downloaded. Now click on this exe. Then just wait for a second. Yeah. So now you can see use admin privilege when installing Python extension. You can give this Python add Python exe to to add Python to the path. Okay. So now you install now. Customize choose include free fee and all the things. Okay. Click on install now. So click on install now. It will be selected and it will be Python will be installed. Okay, now it is getting installed. This will take few seconds. Okay, so Python 3.1 3.0 is getting installed now. So yeah, so you can see now it's getting downloaded. Another few seconds. Yeah, we are done. So it is telling change your disable path limit. Okay, now Python is successfully installed. Now close it. Now go to your terminal and command prompt. So type Python here. Okay, now we'll type Python. Okay, now see now this Python command is working. So now we'll check print. We'll type a print command, then we'll give please subscribe to my channel. Okay, now enter. Now see it's working. Python is working. Yeah. So now in this video you saw how Python is installed. Python 3.1 to 3.13 is installed in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.